Right, hello guys, welcome to another video. Today is another unboxing. As you can see, sorry I took a long break. I just had to get my stuff together, and yeah, so I'm done with school now with my work experience and all that, so I can come around with more videos for you guys. If you liked my vacuum cleaner revving video, then you know what to do like that. Okay, so what I have here is they're new earphones that I just discovered. I think they're almost a year old now. They're the Awei True Wireless Earbuds. Sorry about my camera position. My tripod is missing a leg, so like I have to like twist the legs around, like get it to balance, so it's not like standing as high as it will normally stand. So yeah, so I have the Awei True Wireless Earbuds, the Awei T5s, and I got this on Amazon for £19.99. That's £20, so that should be around like I think $25 to $26. I'll leave a link to the description to a UK and an American website. So let's just take this plastic thing off and get into the unboxing. So okay, come on, there we go. Right, so oof, that's a nice box. All right, so let me just show you around the box. So it has an Awei WeChat thing over there. Shows you the various things. So it has a built-in microphone. The battery is 360 milliamp hours, 1K operation, waterproof, IPX level, so IPX4 waterproofing, meaning that it is waterproof. It's splash proof. I don't say it's like waterproof. You can don't dip them in water. It can handle, say, sweating, or say rain. You're out and it's raining and it just like splashes onto your ear. So yeah, and it's not dust proof, so don't take this into places like, say, that have a lot of sand or dust or anything like that. But let's read on. So you can use one pair and have the other one charging, and it has an ergonomic design, so meaning that it fits around your ear canal and stays in your ear and all that. So let's open this box. Right, so it has a magnetic thing here, so that's definitely a plus for quality. And as you open it, oof, damn, I'm going to lift this up now. That looks peng. Oh damn, so yeah, so it shows like everything here, what the earbuds are and stuff like that. So let's just take this out. It's really light actually. Like, this is how big it is. So it's actually quite small. And when I was buying it, I was expecting it to be heavier, but it's actually nice, light, and I was like, I think that's metal. So it feels really cold in your hands. I like that. Okay, so let me get what's in this box. So I'm using one hand now, because, well, just keeping it on the thing is what's it called. I'm using my windowsill too, so yeah, bear with me. I'm gonna put this down. Okay, so get my scissors. That's a good boy. Okay, so we have a micro USB charging cable. Jeez, Awei, come on. Just move to look at it. Just look at it. Oh well. Like, no one really uses micro USB anymore. It's more like USB Type C, because they're better, and they have better, like, say, what's it called, charging speeds and stuff like that. So these are spare earbuds. I'm sure there's meant to be more in there, but all right. And you have your instruction manual. So they only have the big size. Well, my ears are big anyways. My ear canals are big anyway, so yeah. Alright, let's chuck this to one side. Okay, so we have the charging case, and on the back it says the model T5, Capacity 360 milliamp hours, made in China, blah blah blah, all the stuff. Yeah, okay. Awei for all kinds of music. Now let's open it. Oh, right, wait, look at that. So it's magnetic. Yeah, so let me just open it and look at that. You see that light blinking? It's showing that as soon as you open it, it tells you, right? Yeah, and you see that red light? Right, when you close it, the red light means that it's charging, but I'll show, yeah, you see that? It shows that it's charging. So let me just take these out. Okay, so you take one ear out, take both of them out, and as you can see, they're both paired together. So it's now in pairing mode. So I'm going to put them back in. Yes, I'm going to put that back in. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, that's back in, and that's back in. So now you see that it shows that it's charging, and this blue light means that the charging case is discharging. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about this. It has the charging port there too. Okay, so I'm going to take these out and connect them to a phone and show you basically what's going on. Be right back. All right, so I'm back. Oh, flip's sake, 1 sec. Okay, I'm back. So I have my phone here. All right, so let me show you how you what's it called, connect to stuff. So you go to your Bluetooth settings in your phone. So I'll turn that on, and now is it on? I think it's on. So Bluetooth, turn on. Yeah, give me a second. All right, so I'm back. The other phone I was using, something's wrong with it. It won't like you do Bluetooth and stuff. So I have my old Samsung S5 here. Oh, look at the colors, baby. Is the power of the AMOLED screen for you guys. Okay, so what you do is go to Bluetooth, turn that on. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'll open it and then take out both earbuds. They're going to connect to each other, and now it should start blinking red and white. So once it starts blinking red and white, what you do is like you wait for it to show up, and it will show up as this Awei T5L. Click that, and I heard it say connected, so it's connected now. So I'm just going to pause this and face the what's it called, the camera to me. Right, okay, so I got the earphones right here. They're connected, and I'm just going to put it in my ear now. So I don't know, this is right, this is left, so it shows it on there. So no, I've already put it in wrong. But what the hell is wrong with me today? I'm not with it. How do you freaking put this in your ear? It's like this. Okay. Ooh, damn. That's sealed though. That really seals like sound and stuff. Whoa. I can't hear anything. Oh. Well, I can hear. Oh my god, that seal is perfect. That is a perfect seal. You just have to like adjust this. Oh, there we go. Right, be right back. All right, so I'm back. I got Spotify here, and I'm just going to say something that I like. Let's get some Get Through by KB. Get Through. It's not even searching. Let's get onto YouTube. I'm gonna pause this and then get back to you guys. Okay, so I'm back and I have it here. So yeah, let's test it out. So I'm going to increase the volume now. Damn, son. Oh. Wait. It's so clear.
Let me hear it.
No. The bass one.
Let me hear.
Guys.
Oh shit, you're making
Wait.
video.
Nah. Wait 1 sec.
Can you like cut that bit out?
9 out of 10. Beautiful. Oh my god, I love them already. Yeah, jeez, I was going to get this. I love them already. So, yes, that was my sister there. Alright,
No,
so
cut it.
now if you want to, what's it called, take them out, you just take them out of your ear, like put it in there, and it automatically disconnects from this thing. So let's close it, boom, disconnected. And as soon as you open it and take one bud out, take both of them out, they start to like do this and they're connected. So yeah, very convenient. It can pop out easily. Like I'm actually using a lot of force to get these out, and also I'm actually shaking this too, and they actually pop out, but then they literally just forcefully like they just go back in. So and yeah, that's it charging. All right. So overall, these are really good for the price, and I recommend you get it. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.